What do you think it is? A spoon? Something else? It's called jam spoon, but it's different way to use from spoon. There is almost empty spread. With a regular spoon, you can hardly scoop up spreads from it. Not working. If you use jam spoon, you can scoop almost everything in it. Look, isn't this cool? Oh, a very cleary. The secret is that it has the flexibility of a spatula. Oh my gosh, I was able to get a lot with a special spoon. It's sold by Yamazaki, that is Japanese company. It can cook pasta. Have you cooked pasta with such as container? Normally, you need a lot of boiled water when you cook pasta. You should use it. You need just 400 milliliters of boiled water. Put pasta in it. Add salt. Put the lid on. You put it in the microwave. Set the time the same as the usual boiling time. Now boiling. Run. Definitely, it looks delicious. Perfect. And it can measure 100 grams of pasta with the lid. It's very useful. The product costs 68,955 yuan. If you like pasta, you should buy it. Do you know the useful spoon gadget? This spoon has flexibility. Certainly, it can both mix and scoop. It will demonstrate its true abilities at the following moment. It can scoop almost everything left in the bowl. Because the flexibility is working. I think it helps us save money and save the earth. Let's try again. Fantastic! It's sold by Mujirushi Raihin. It's famous Japanese shop. I recommend you. Do you know the special butter knife? Butter is too hard. I can't cut it smoothly. If you use it, you can get a piece of butter easy. You can make airy butter and you can cut butter that is put out refrigerate immediately. You don't need power. The secret is heat conduction by hand. Spread. Yummy. You can buy it at Daiso, 110 yuan 80 cents, euro 0.80.